Here's 5 things that you should absolutely never do when teaching your child how to blend for the first time. Number 5, teaching blending with pictures. When you show your child a picture and you ask, what word is that? Of course they know the word is pie. It's right there in the picture. Instead, you want to teach them how to blend by showing them the sounds in each word and having them put those sounds together. Number 4, teaching them to memorize sight words. Instead of memorizing sight words as the way we learn how to read, we need to teach our child the phonic sounds, how to blend those sounds together into words. Number 3, just assuming they can do it because it seems easy. I see this all the time. Just put it together, Your kid can't do it. Instead of assuming they can do it, we need to actually teach them how to blend words on their own. Number 2, blending words that are too big. When we pick random books, random activities, and put them in front of our kid, we may be asking them to read 4 or 5 sound words when they can only read words that are 2 or 3 sounds. Don't make this complicated and don't make it hard. Start little and work up from there. And the number 1 biggest mistake people make is you assume it gets better with time. It doesn't. It gets better with practice. You don't simply wait for a kid to catch up and think it's going to happen. You stop, you intervene, and you teach them exactly what they need to learn. You don't need to teach your kid how to read, but if you want to and you avoid these 5 mistakes, it's going to be a lot easier for you.